Hi, this is Teresa Momber, and here's a look at the card I'm going to show you how to create in today's video. Begin by stamping the daisy image from the Daisy Delight stamp set from Gina K Designs using Memento Tuxedo black ink onto white cardstock. To color, start with Copic marker RV25 and use that at the base of each petal where you'd like the deepest coloring to be. Then switch to Copic marker RV23 and blend out from the previous color. Use Copic marker RV21 to fill in the remaining parts of the petals. For the flower centers, start with Copic marker Y17 and use that around the outside portion. Then switch to Copic marker Y000 to fill in the centers. For the stems, use Copic marker YG95. When you're finished coloring, cut out the image using scissors. For the background, trim white cardstock to 3.5 by 4 3/4 inches, and then sponge along the bottom using Gina K Grass Green ink. Then switch to Gina K Sweet Corn ink and continue sponging, working from the green all the way to the top. Stamp the silhouette grass image, also from the Daisy Delight stamp set, using Gina K Fresh Asparagus ink. Then stamp the image a few more times to fill in the background. The sentiment I'm using is from the Gina K True Friend Foil Mates collection. I've trimmed it using a circle die, and now I'm going to run it through my heat laminator with Gina K Pink Passion Fancy Foils and sandwich that in a piece of parchment paper. And after it goes through my heat laminator, it'll be nice and shiny. And here it is after I've added the foil. When I tilt it back and forth, you can get a little hint of how shiny it is. Now I wanted to add just a little bit of sponging around that, so I'm placing it back in the circle die and sponging around the edges using Gina K Pink Passion ink. Now all the parts of our card are done. I'm going to layer the background with a piece of black Onyx cardstock that's trimmed slightly larger, and then adhere both of those layers to a piece of Gina K Pink Passion cardstock. Next, I'll wrap some silver twine around my background and tie a bow. Next, adhere the entire assembly to a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch white card base. Use adhesive foam squares to adhere your sentiment layer to the card. Then use more adhesive foam squares to adhere your trimmed out daisies to the card. And that completes today's video. Thanks for watching.